Hi, my name is Caroline, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put audio into your PowerPoint. So you're going to scroll down to the Microsoft PowerPoint icon, and then you're just going to scroll up to the blank presentation and click on that. You're going to create your slideshow on, your topic, whether that's dogs, cats, whatever your topic may be. And I'm just going to delete these and copy and paste a picture of a dog. And to insert the audio, you're going to go up to Home, Insert. Um, so you have Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animation, Slideshow, Review, View, Picture, Format. You're going to hit Insert, and then you're going to go all the way over to Media with the music symbol, and then hit the down arrow, and then you're going to hit the add down arrow again on Audio. So the first choice that you have is Audio Browser. This takes you to your music library, like Apple iTunes. So if you want to incorporate a song um, for one of your presentations, or the next choice is Audio from File. So this is you can record it from your phone and just upload it to the slideshow. So for example, like if I wanted to make the dog bark, I would probably choose to do Audio from File. I would have to look for the barking um, prior to, and then the last option is you have record audio, so you can record yourself and then upload it right on, so you don't have to save anything. So for today's purposes, we're just going to do record audio, and you're just going to name the sound dog bark, and then when you're ready, you're just going to hit this red little recording dot, just like that, and then once you're finished, you can just hit stop and then insert it into your slideshow, and then it will play like this. I will play it for you guys. Just me talking. Just like that, and then once you're finished, you can just hit stop. I honestly think this is the easiest way to do audio into your slideshows, just because it's simple and just kind of like an easy 1, 2, 3 process, whereas the other ones kind of take a little bit of extra time. But I could show you Audio Browser too. You could just click on one of these songs and then click and drag, and they will go into the slideshow. And I currently have no audio from File on my laptop, so I'm not going to show you that, but it's basically the same step. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, and it's a really good tool, and I would definitely recommend it. So thank you. Bye bye.